This is the actual original video and this is generated using a generative fill technology. So let me show you how you can generate on CapCut. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I'm back with a new video. This is really interesting and exciting for all of you. So make sure don't skip any part of the video. Open your web browser and search clip drop. And now we need to click on three-dot menu and select uncrop tool. You can use Adobe Firefly, Adobe Photoshop or Leonardo AI for the generative fill. Instead of clip drop, I selected clip drop because of easy to use. First of all, take screenshot or capture the image from the video and upload it. Click on the next and this tool automatically creates a landscape photo from the portrait. This is the photo, so you can select your choice and click on download it. Open CapCut tab and click on new project. Import the photo, which one we recently download from the clip drop. Now increase the duration of the image according to the original video. By the way, new to my channel, make sure to consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. And now click on overlay and import the original video. Here is it. Now you can see here, this is the vertical video, portrait video we need to adjust according to our landscape photo. How you can do this? Click on video and go to opacity tool. Decrease the opacity to 40 or 50%, and now you have some type of shadow or the mask of original video. You can match with the image and this is really easy to do. After adjusting according to your image, click on opacity and increase again on 100%, and now you can see the preview of the video. Literally it looks like video captured in the landscape wide aspect ratio instead of the vertical portrait mode. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. I try to make it really easy and comfortable for all of the users. Another tip for you, how you can export the video. Make sure you are exporting the same resolution as well as the FPS. If you increase the FPS or decrease the FPS, video quality will be down. Still any type of case or question in your mind, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, share. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.